Hello, this is Derek. We're tubing for cross-platform development, term 1403, and this week we're focusing on synchronization. This week was very interesting because we had to implement synchronization of data on a backend service on two platforms, which is really wasn't that hard to synchronize, but it was hard to figure out the workflow, and that's probably the most challenging part of this week. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. My development process was really just to identify what was needed for the app to do for the assignment, and then also figure out how to do it. And really, that was the challenge. So we're going to really jump into the applications here, and it'll take a second for this to load up. But what basically we'll show here is the deletion of, well, we see here that these are synchronized as it is right now. If I was to add something, demo sync, spell, and put in the author and save. Now what you're going to notice is that pretty soon it's going to update. Very good. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate that on the Android side. Let's say do it again, and do it again, and Derek. Cool. And we'll go ahead and save this, and we're gonna see here that they're synchronized. So the adding of the UI is always up to date for the ads. For the deletes, it's pretty much the same. In a moment over here on the Nexus, you'll see it's pretty much how it should be. And that is where I was successful. The unsuccessful parts are where I changed data, because right now I'm counting the query size to trigger on the polling. That's what I actually did. It was use polling instead of push. I was trying to figure out push notifications, or how to get push to work on the backend service, and I found the answer was in Cloud Code from what I understood, and that was just too much for me to learn to pull it off on this assignment. But that's pretty much the app. I did get the create, read, and delete. I don't think I have the update, but that's all I had time for. But that's pretty much the assignment. This class was excellent. It really gave me a deeper dive into parse. I definitely appreciate that because I'll be using that from this point on more and more so, especially going into final project. But thank you, and hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I sure will.